Hey, Jay Capron here at my favorite auto shop, Mr. Auto Care. They are busy as always, and there's a reason for that. They rock. And guess what? 3 lucky people are going to get free oil changes because they took part in our social media contest. We had some fun over this past month and asked you to like and share each post. And the people who are in this lucky box, super high tech, by the way. Yeah, there we go. Shelly, the GM, has all the names here, and people who shared those posts, their names are in there. So we're going to pull up right now, random draw, 3 lucky winners for the oil changes. Here we go. Shelly, what do you got? Who's our first one?
First one is Tiffany Engelman.
All right, Tiffany.
Second one is, sorry, I dropped it. Caitlin Benazek.
Benazek?
Yep.
We'll contact you so you know.
Last one is Dan Moore.
Dan Moore.
We just want to say we appreciate your business. We appreciate your trust. We appreciate you giving us referrals and sharing us and liking us on Facebook. We look forward to seeing you.
That's right. Thank you, Shelly. Hey, for Shelly, I'm Jay Capron. This is Mr. Auto Care in Crest Hill. Check him out. More things coming from Mr. Auto Care as well. You'll see it down the line. Bye.
Bye-bye.